Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing Mulyachi Bhaji recipe. The ingredients are little grated coconut, few curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon of garam masala, oil, water, peeled, washed and chopped radishes, 1 tomato chopped, 1 green chili slit, 1 onion sliced. Heat oil in a pan, add few curry leaves, mix. Add 1 sliced onion, mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, mix. 1 tomato chopped, 1 green chili slit, stir. Add salt, stir, saute it. Cover and let it cook. Stir in between. Add chopped radishes. Add water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add salt. Stir. Add half tablespoon of garam masala. Stir. Add little grated coconut. Stir. Cover and let it cook. Stir in between. Check whether the radishes are ready by poking with a knife. Since it is slightly hard now, I'll cook it for some more time. Mulyachi Bhaji is now ready. Switch off the flame. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.